Let's pause for a moment and imagine a world where the boundaries between humans and machines blur, where machines are not just tools, but entities capable of learning, reasoning, and even understand human emotions. This is not the plot from a futuristic science fiction film. It's the reality of artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly is AI? Let's embark on a journey to understand this fascinating concept. And let's start with a game of chess. A challenging game of strategy, where every move counts. Now, imagine playing against an opponent who never gets tired, never makes a mistake out of fatigue or distraction. That opponent is a computer powered by AI. AI is a branch of computer science, which aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Just like a child learns to play chess, the computer learns from every game it plays. It remembers every move, every strategy, and uses this knowledge to improve its game. Artificial intelligence is not a new concept. It's been around since the mid-20th century and is still being used to this day. AI has evolved from simple machines that could play tic-tac-toe to sophisticated systems that can diagnose diseases and drive cars. A perfect example of how AI works is by imagining you're in a garden, and you're asked to sort the flowers based on their type. You'd look at the color, the shape of the petals, the size, and so on. This is how AI works. It uses algorithms to identify patterns in data. It then learns from these patterns and applies this knowledge to make predictions or decisions. And a subset of AI called machine learning takes this concept further. It's like teaching a child to recognize flowers. You show them examples, and over time, they learn to identify them on their own. And just like there are different ways to learn in a classroom, there are different types of machine learning. These include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine is like the student, and the data is like the teacher. The data provides the machine with the correct answers, or labels, and the machine learns to predict these labels from the features of the data. On the other hand, unsupervised learning is like a child exploring a playground. The machine is given data without any labels, and it must find structure and relationships within the data on its own. Reinforcement learning is like training a pet. The machine learns to perform an action from trial and error. Positive outcomes are reinforced and negative outcomes are discouraged. Machine learning has a wide range of applications. It's used in healthcare to predict diseases, in finance to analyze market trends, in transportation for autonomous vehicles, and even in entertainment for recommendation systems. Another subset of AI called deep learning goes even deeper. It's like a child not just recognizing a rose, but understanding that roses can be red, pink, or white, have thorns, and bloom in specific seasons. There are different types of deep learning. These include convolutional neural networks, which is used for image recognition, recurrent neural networks, which is used for sequence data like time series, and generative, adversarial networks used for generating new data similar to the input data. Deep learning is powering some of the most exciting advancements in AI. It is used in natural language processing for voice assistants, in computer vision for facial recognition, in medical imaging to detect diseases, and even in autonomous vehicles for object detection. The future of AI is as vast as our imagination. It could mean robots that care for the elderly, systems that predict natural disasters, or software that can create art. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we delegate more tasks to AI, we must consider the ethical implications. Who is responsible if an AI-driven car has an accident? How do we ensure AI is fair and unbiased? And what about jobs? Will AI take them away, or will it create new ones? Just like the Industrial Revolution led to new types of jobs, the AI revolution is likely to do the same. So, what does AI mean for you? It means living in a world where technology is more than just a tool. It's a companion, a teacher, a helper. It's a world where technology understands you and adapts to your needs. And now that you know the basics of AI, let's have a quick overview. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, which is revolutionizing our world. The evolution of AI has been incredible. It has evolved from simple machines to sophisticated systems, capable of tasks like diagnosing diseases and driving cars. AI mimics human intelligence, learning from every interaction, much like a child learning to play chess. There are subsets of AI, one of which is machine learning, which takes this concept further by teaching machines to identify patterns and learn independently. This technology has a broad range of applications, from predicting diseases in healthcare to powering autonomous vehicles in transportation. Another subset of AI, called deep learning, goes even deeper into mimicking human cognition. It powers advancements in AI, which include natural language processing for voice assistance, facial recognition in computer vision, and disease detection in medical imaging. AI is integrated into our daily lives, even without you realizing it, by recommending music, movies, assisting in navigation, and aiding in medical diagnoses. However, with the increasing influence of artificial intelligence, we must consider the ethical implications, such as responsibility in AI-driven accidents, ensuring fairness, and the impact on jobs. Now that you know the basics of AI, machine learning, and deep learning, let's open the floor for questions and discussion. Comment, what are your thoughts on the potential of AI? How do you see it impacting your industry or field of interest? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of AI.